The mean of four numbers, again, yung mean means average. The mean of four numbers is 25. If one number is replaced, or if one number na 45 is replaced by 25, what is the new mean? Now remember, ang total dito, i-multiply lang natin yan, that's 100. Okay, apat man daw. The mean of four numbers is 25. So, apat sila. So, para makuha natin yung sum, i-multiply natin yung 4 sa 25. That's 100. Yung isang numero daw dyan ay 45 daw yung isang numero. I-minus natin yung 45 sa 100, pero i-replace naman siya ng 25. So, yung 25 na i-replace, ibig sabihin, bumaba. Ilan ang baba? Kunin natin yung difference. Ang difference ay 20. Bumaba sa 20. So, ibig sabihin, si 100 nabawasan ng 20. Ulitin ko. Yung 45 na replacean ng 25. Ibig sabihin, bumaba ng 20 yung pinaka-total. 100 minus 20, that is 80. So, 80 na yung pinaka-total. Apat pa rin yung numero, kaya na-replace lang man, apat pa rin. So, 80 divided by 4. What is the new mean? Ano daw yung bagong average ngayon? 80 divided by 4, and this is 20. Okay? Next.